Hi friends, it's Julia. I'm here to share layout number 4 for my November 2020 Counterfeit Kit Challenge Kit. Now I'm going to do this kind of sort of the same way I did last time, but I'm going to do basically live, if you will, live recorded of everything that I pull in, and then I'll show you my layout when I'm done, and we'll talk about it a little bit more. So I pulled in this flare to use with this page kit. This is my 4th page kit. And so far I haven't used any of my flares. They're all sitting right up here. So I really need to make an effort to use at least one of those on one of these layouts. I pulled in these glittered orange brads. I have this fall leaves. There's 12 in here. This is new. These No Worry sequins are wood tones, and I've used those before. That I pulled for my photo mat because this is going to be a single photo layout. I have this kit from Freckled Fawn, and it I can't remember if the leaves came with it, but I think I have those in there at some point to use. I have another Traveler's Notebook page, pumpkins on one side, green dots on the other. I have these rub-ons. I have one of those little borders, kind of a scallopy border. More of the Miss Elizabeth stickers, and then I have a cut apart, and then 2 sheets of paper, and this one with the gold tone leaves. Oh, there you go, with the gold tone leaves on it. So with all of this stuff, now I'm going to create something. Yeah, so I'll be back in just a minute to show you what I've got. And here's the sketch from the Let's Get Sketchy blogspot.com blog. Okay, so another one is finished. Another layout. This is layout number 4 in my November 2020 Counterfeit Kit Challenge Kit. And you can see I used the one paper with that zigzagged, I don't know what you call that. It wasn't my favorite piece of paper, but I used it to round or to mat the leaf paper, and that was the back of it, the owls. I used a small piece of the stripe paper here, another small scrap of paper from the brown here, and just stacked up 3 little embellishment clusters. That is one of those leaves from here, from Tuesday morning. I used a wood veneer. Those are the leaves that I added in. That's a sticker from one of the sticker sheets. And then of course the sequins. And then I used an enamel dot. And then I used one of those epoxy pieces from here, from Miss Elizabeth's, from like a bazillion years ago. Here again, the paper leaf, the glitter leaf, and the wood veneer leaf. Another piece of chipboard here, here, and here from my Freckled Fawn chipboard sheet. Another heart, and then more sequins. Down here I used some washi tape. Another one of those enamel bits from this piece from Miss Elizabeth's. Layered up my leaves, used the sequins and the enamel heart, and I also used some of these labels down here. I was going to put real life right on top of those, but for whatever reason I didn't, but it turned out okay. And then I used the green tiles to put hanging out at Mom's, and my title is My Son. This is actually a rub-on that I rubbed onto a scrap of paper, and you can see, let's see if I can get the light on that. When I rubbed it onto the paper, it did not adhere very well, so it started getting a little bit sketchy around the edges. So I thought the best way to deal with that would be cut it close to the edges, so you maybe couldn't see it quite as much. And then fussy cut that out and put it right there with some foam adhesive. Anyway, so another layout is done. Stay tuned, I'll have photos at the end, and I will see you guys on the next layout. Bye-bye.